Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel Enriching Knowledge. Friends, today we are covering class 8th second unit advanced features of Tinkercad CBSE computer subject, and we are working on Tinkercad again. Now see friends, I have used a Google Chrome browser, web browser, and in the web browser search box I have typed Tinkercad only, and here is the first link. Just click on this link. Now the home screen of the Tinkercad will be in front of you, as you can see. Yes, it's working very fast. Now there are some things that I have to tell you, that here is an option that is used. Using this option we can install the Tinkercad application or software inside the uh, device. Now but I will go through the laptop and in a traditional way online using the banking. Now just click on login button. Now who you are, I will just click on educator. First option I will select email or username. Now it will ask you to enter your details like username. I will yes, I don't remember my previous account number, so I will create a new to Autodesk, create account. Yes, mention your country, then your date of birth. Mention something older than that. I will just keep it 95. Okay, click on next button. Yes, enter email address, anything uh, which you have. I will just have a sample tinker 123 at the rate gmail.com. Password I will keep a simple password. I will just pause it for password section. I have entered a password. Now click on I agree. Okay, this is showing error because this email ID is not available. I will just make it different. Hmm. No, it is also not available. Give some different like Tinker Plus. Maybe this available. Okay, 123. Okay, we'll make some changes. Tinker 8 Plus. Yes, this is available. Tinker 8 Plus at gmail.com. Yes, and password is something different. Now, yes, click on create button. After that, it will ask you to agree with some policies. Yes, click on done button. No need to save it. Otherwise, you can save if you don't remember. Click on OK. Just tick mark this. Then click on I agree button. Now here we are inside the Tinkercad home screen. Now what we can create in Tinkercad, see friends, we can create 3D designs, we can create circuits, and we can create code blocks. So in this session we are going to create 3D designs as well as we are going to create code blocks also. Both parts in the same session, in the same unit are there. First of all, just click on this create button at the right upper corner, then click on 3D designs button. Now I will show you two things which are already on page number 15 in the connect part of your book. Just look at the screen and keep book aside also. Now suppose friends, there are only two views important. First one, top and the front. Top means the from the upper side, and front is the same view. Yes, I can show you. This is the front view, and this is the top view, so you can just keep it as it was in the initial state, in between top and front. Okay, now I will show you the shape generators part. Now how to do that and what kind of shapes we are going to create, just click on here at the right side, there is a basic shapes, click here and just scroll down and see shape generators are here at the last option is shape generator. Just click here and it will show some shapes, by default shapes available in that particular option. Now, yes friends, remember what kind of things we are going to do here. First of all, these are extrusions. See, extrusion means what? This is extrusion. Extrusion shape is kind of a cylindrical shape. Now, first of all, I have to tell you, when I add, just drag and drop this on the work plane. You know very well this is work plane. Now see, this window is called as inspector window. This complete rectangular window is a inspector window. This, yes, this, look at this kind of small kind of work plane is a sketch window. Here is a sample view of the shape. Okay, now how and what? See, there are how we can change and what kind of changes we can do. That is what is how and what. Okay, now see, there are two things. These are the square kind of handles are there, and these are circular kind of handles. These small dot circular kind of handles are known as Bezier handles. Bezier handle, or you can call it Bezier handles. Okay, and these square like signs are called as anchor point. Please remember the names. Square kind of points are anchor points. How many anchor points are there? 4 anchor points are there. And how many Bezier handles are there? 8 Bezier handles are there. Now what we can do with the handles and how we can do the changes? See now the magic. When I click here and just I will make some change here. See, as you can see here how I am making some changes. Now the same thing will be reflected here as well. I will just make it zoom. Yes, see friends, the changes are here. If I make change here, yes, see how changes can be done easily. Now what kind of changes you can do here? See, with the anchor point also you can change the shape, and with the Bezier handle you can change the scale, the shape of that object, basically regarding curves or at the boundary level, at the border level of that sheet. This is just see, you can just change the border with the anchor tag, okay, but not with the Bezier handle. See, you can just move that Bezier handles and you can just make changes in the borders, not exactly in the shape. Now see what kind of changes are there. I am making change here as well. See, this shape is already there in your book, page number 17. You can watch it. Okay, so these are just called smooth curves. These are smooth curves at the border level. Okay, these are smooth curves, and these are the sharp curves. See, sharp and smooth curves are very easy to understand. How the sharp curves look like this. This is a smooth curve. This is a smooth curve because there is a smooth just round kind of border is there. Okay, and this looks like a centric kind of corner. See, this is called sharp corner. The corner which likes which is like a sharp corner. So that is called sharp curve, and which curves is very circular. That is called smooth curve. Now self intersect, this is called self intersect. See, self intersect, the shape which intersects itself. Intersect means what? Crossing. The shape which crosses itself, these are called self intersects. How many self intersects are there? 1 and 2 self intersects are there, and wherever you can change the curve, that is called curve reduced to the particular point. So This is just a extrusion shape. I will just delete this shape now, and we'll add some another thing. Page number 17, gear shape. Now from where you can have a gear shape, if it not found, just click on this search shape button and type here gear shape. Okay, it will take few seconds to search that shape, and it will appear on the screen. Just wait for the remaining two shapes, maybe the same shape which you are searching for. There are many other things of other kinds of shapes are also there. See which shape is in our book given, we have to look for that. 49 gear shapes are there. See, okay, I will add this shape. Okay, fine, metric gear. Hmm, okay, I will just drag and drop it. Now first of all, I have to tell you what kind of things we can do here. I will just minimize the shape of this gear so that it will look like the same shape which is in your book. Now see what kind of things you can do with the gear shape. See, these are the teeth of the gear, and this is the radius of the shape. Now how we can change it? It's very simple. See, number of teeth. If I just increase this, see, many shapes are there. Only three shapes are there now. Three teeth are there. Okay, just see the magic. Five teeth are there. See, 13 teeth are there. Now 25 teeth are there. If you make changes, automatically it will be reflected here. I will just zoom it, or I will just maximize the size of this shape. Yes, now see, this was pitch angle. Okay, so pitch angle, just make some changes in the diagram module. Okay, it is just occupying the entire screen. Fine. If we make it whole, it will be transparent, and you can keep it solid also and give any color. Coloring change of that object is also easy task. Okay, so this is how we can make changes in the objects. Now what we can do next? Yes, the next shape is isometric thread. Now just go to search and type isometric thread. We will see what kind of things we do. Yes, this is isometric thread. Just drag and drop it here. How to increase the size of the thread? Yes, diameter. See, yes, I will show you front. Now if you want to, yes, this is actually a thread. Okay, now the same options are there which given in your book. See, pitch means what? Directly will apply, and then you can understand. Pitch means the space between the each and every round kind of thread. Now segments, yes, segments are the threads. Yes, related to thread, it's very important. Multiple threads, multiple sharpness, sorry, much more sharpness. Multiple segments and much more sharpness. These are parallel things. Rotations, how many rotations are there? Whenever you increase the rotation, the height will be increased. Tip scale is there. It is not making any kind of particular change, but still these are the things. Now some objects are also there at the bottom which are shown. Final tip segment is there, and thread scale is also there. So these are some options related to thread. So these are some shapes. Now the next shape is, suppose you want to add stairs, which is given in the activity, not in the note. See, yes, these are the stairs. Just add these stairs. Okay, make it zoom. Increase the height of the stairs. Okay, now what kind of things are there? Level. How many levels are there? Already four. If you want to increase, the steps will increase, but in the same way it will change the height and width also. I will make three steps now, three levels. Level height, see, keep it low. Then level depth, keep it low. Height also needs to be low. Then level width, how long the stair is. In this way you can have some changes in the shapes. Now we'll go to page number 19. In inscribing text in the extruded curve. Okay, first of all we will add extruded curve, or it is simply called as extruded curve. Okay, extruded curve. Okay, now we'll see. Yes, this is extruded curve. When you place cursor over it, it will show the name extruded curve. Just drag and drop it here. See, this is the curve. Now no need to make any kind of changes. Okay, fine, just keep it. Now we have to insert or add. Inscribing means what? Adding text into this. Now close it. Now we have to add text here and add into this shape. That is what is called inscribing the text. Okay, so this is already exist here, extruded curve. This is extruded curve, and we'll add text here. For that purpose we have to go to basic shapes, and in that, as you can see, text is here. Just drag and drop. Now I will just move the text here. I will just minimize the size of this text so that it can suit to the extruded curve. Now we have to rotate it. Yes, as you can see, accurate. Now again minimize the size of the text. Height also needs to be minimized. Okay, now we'll go to top view and see. We'll add this text into the extruded shape. Yes, it must pass through the extruded shape. Now what is the next step? Look at the page number 22. They are saying we have to add one box. Okay, so we will add one box here. Okay, go to basic shapes. Yes, take this. We'll move this. Go to now, minimize the size. Yes, this is the height, length. Now go to top view. Do you think that the height is matching? Yes, height is perfectly matching. Now I will just add this box and make it whole. Now friends, look at This project, look at this project. Is it the same which you are looking for? Yes. So that is what is the creation of inscribing text into the extruded shape, and this all is inside the whole box, that is transparent box. So this is how we can create 3D designs in Tinkercad. The next task is, I will just delete this task, and the next task is to create a vase. Now how we can create a vase? It's very simple. There should be a pot. There is a need of a pot. So I will add one pot. You can just search here. Just go to search box and type a vase. Vase means what? A flower pot. Nothing but a flower pot. Just enter and see. Okay, already created vases are there. No, we have to create a vase. So for that purpose, I will just type pot only. As we have done in the class, we have done this practical twice. You may remember. We'll add one pot. Okay, I will. Yes, I have added glass in the class. Yes, yes, correct. This glass, perfect. So I will add this glass here. As you can see, shape is very, very, very large. We have to decrease this shape. I will go to home. Yes, so that you can see. Now, page number 24, we have added a vase like structure or a pot like structure, or you can say glass like structure is here on the screen. Now we have adjusted the height, width of this glass, and now the next thing is that we have to add Voronoi shape. Now what is Voronoi shape? Yes, I will show you. Go to search and just type Voronoi shape. Just type search and see, this is Voronoi shape. When you place cursor, it shows its name Voronoi. Just drag and drop it here. I will just move this glass to the left side, and here's a Voronoi shape. We have to add some properties here. Now how? Yes, look at the change. Now see the randomizer. Randomizer means this pattern. First of all, we have to increase the tile size. Yes. Now just take it here. We have to add we have to increase its height now. Yes, see the height. Okay, fine. Now we have to move it in this way vertically. Rotation. Now I will show you from the front. Yes, take it to the proper place. Yes, 0 now. Again take it to the upside. Now see, okay, from the top angle we'll see is it at the proper place or not. Yes, we'll take it downward, and the next thing is that just add it into the glass. See what we can do next. Yes, added from the both side. Yes, perfect. Now see the magic again. I will show you. Okay, not exactly from the top view. We have to minimize its length, because this is only two-way inscribing. Now go to home. Okay, it is okay. I will move it to the upside. Yes, so that it can be properly set inside the glass. Now what we have to do? We have to make it whole. See, I have made it whole. Now what will be the action taken after making group? Okay, first of all, select the Voronoi shape, press Ctrl key on the keyboard, then click on this glass, and now make a select the glass and now make a group. Okay, again we'll try glass. Yes, don't know why it is happening. It is not selecting it properly. Control and glass. First we'll select glass and then Voronoi shape. We have to make it group. Okay, we'll make it group properly. Just for a few seconds we have to make it zoom so that selection should see properly. Voronoi shape, then glass. Yes, both are selected. See, this group icon is visible now. Look again, see, click on Voronoi shape, shift button and then glass. Okay, it is taking load. Yes, now yes, group button, control or shift both can work. You can use as per your convenience. Now click on this. Our shortcut is Control plus G and see. Just a second. Just a second. Yes, as I told you, see the magic. Yes, this is how our glass is created. Friends, see the vase. This is how the Voronoi shape works, or the addition into the. This is how you can create a vase. Now we'll work on meta fillet. Okay, I will just delete it. Go to home. Yes, now meta fillet. For that purpose, we have to add one box here. We'll just increase that box from the top view. We have to use top view. Correct. Now search for meta fillet. Search meta fillet. Okay. Now enter button. Yes, this is meta fillet. Just drag and drop it here. Yes, meta fillet is added. I will just move these objects to the left side because content and its properties must be visible at the same time on the screen. Now what we have to do, we have to make the duplicates first. See, this is a copy, this is a duplicate. Just click here, again click and again click. We have to make duplicates, four duplicates of the same meta fillet object. I will tell you why, because 4 for 4 corners. Okay, now just rotate these meta fillets for all the 4 corners. Next, yes, and this should be in the left clockwise manner. We have to rotate it in the left clockwise manner. Yes. Now what we have to do here, I will show you. Go to top again. See how it works. Just add it to the corner. Okay, for the first time we have to decrease the length of box because it should match, it must match to the box. Yes, again this meta fillet, keep it on the proper corner. Then okay, I forgot to rotate it. See, and the last, just add this meta fillet at the 4th corner. Now we'll make group of all these 4 meta fillets. Press shift key and then select each and every meta fillet. Now make a group and make it whole and see the magic. Just a second. It will reflect within a second. Don't know what happened to this. Yes, it's made a hole. It is not reflecting right now, maybe because of technical issue or what, but we have seen this in the class as like, and same like this is worked properly here in the same video before few seconds ago. Don't know, we'll try it again. Control Z or undo. Yes, select all the meta affiliates again. Group is already there, made a hole. Okay, solid, and then again hole. Fine, it must reflect, but I will make it refresh. We'll see again, because many times because of refreshment this kind of errors happen. Yes, loading the document. Fine, but you, okay, fine, but you can get the idea that these meta affiliates become whole and this box becomes kind of soft corners, or we can say a soft curves. Okay, now we'll go to the next thing. Click on home button. Page number 30, components of Codeblocks. You have to move, you have to get outside of this design, 3D design. Click on Tinkercad left upper corner. Again you will move to the next first home screen. Yes, see, click on create button right upper corner and click on Codeblocks now. So Codeblocks are nothing but the programming kind of codes. Coding, it's like a programming. And how we can do, see the magic, very simple codes are there. It is giving tips to you. New feature, click to run. How it works, see, click a block or stack of blocks to run it. Just double click and it will start running. No need to start this simulation again and again. Okay, fine. So close this suggestion. Now see friends, components of code block window. First of all, this is the left is called the types of code blocks. Okay, first shapes, modify, control, math, variable, template, markup, legacy. This is a block panel. This is a block panel. Okay, these are now shapes. When you click on modify, modify will be shown here. Code, control code panel block is there. Math block panel is there. Variable block panel is there. So in this way, panel is there, block panel is there. These are blocks. These are blocks. Okay, and this is a block panel. And here this window is called blocks editor, where you can just add these things. Okay, now when I just add this block, just see, when I double click here, block will be added, or you can see just start, see, block will be added. When I just again run it, block will be visible. If I just move it back or I will delete, see, block will be invisible or it will be disappeared. Okay, now, and this thing is the 3D viewer work plane, 3D viewer of the code block coding output. You can say coding output. Okay, now the another properties or attributes are speed, running of the coding, running of the program. Okay, I will show you when we will run it. Okay, now we'll directly go to the task creating a 3D house using Codeblock 3D house. For that purpose, please look at the page number 31, and yes, we will create something. For the first time, we have to click on create new object. Okay, now where I will show you in the same shapes, the create window will be shown. Block, sorry, it is in legacy. Yes, create new object, just drag and drop it here. Now click on this icon, it will ask you to create new or just rename, rename this variable and just type it wall wall. Click on OK. We have created variable wall. Okay. Now page number 31. See, the next step is that adding a box. Okay, we'll go to shapes and yes, adding this box, yes, keep it here. We'll just take it to the left side so that everything will be properly visible. You can change the color of the box, but I will just keep it as it is. And in that we have to give width, then length, then height, age, all the things. Now from where we can just take it? From modify, go to modify, we'll search for the height, width and all. Otherwise just we'll see here. Yes, it's here, no need to go anywhere. Just width, make it 60, then length is 30 and height is again 30. Okay, so and ages are given 10. Now it's properly working. Now we'll run this. Okay, fine. Lastly we have to, okay, we can run this. Let's see first. Okay, the box is here. Now this is one kind of wall is created. Now we have to make it whole. So look at the steps. Now we have to go to shapes, no sorry, modify, then click on move. Yes, click on move and we have to move this at this third dimension. Then again go to shape and add a box, give some dimensions. Width is 55, length is 25, height is 30 and age, no need to make a change in age, and just the final thing is that age steps 10. Okay, so we have made changes. Now go to modify, click on move and now keep it as it is, and finally we have to create a group. Yes, group of this, and finally okay, fine. Now we'll run this and we'll see the effect. Yes, perfect. Now I think we have to make it whole. We'll try to do it again. See the magic. No, keep it solid. Again run. Yes, correct. Now we'll see the next level. Again create new object. Go to legacy, create new object in which we'll make a whole of this block. This is just a block, or we can say a room. Inside that we have to make it whole so that wall will be visible. We'll create a new variable. Now it's time door. Click on OK. Creation of variable is very simple. Now we have to add a box here and give some dimensions. Width is 10, length is 6 and height is 15, and keep the rest things as it is. Just run it. We'll make it zoom. Perfect. But we have to make a group of this. Don't forget, go to modify, click on move. Yes. Now change the dimensions of y, that is -15 and z should be 7.5 something around. Now the next thing is that try to run it. Let's see what happens exactly. Okay, effects, perfect. Here is a door. It is running slowly, but it is showing the effect. The door is here. I will just show you. See, this is door. Again go to home. Perfect. Little zoom so the things will be visible. Now create another object. As like door, we have to create window. Create a new object. Click on this eye icon. Rename the variable and just type window. Click on OK and just give dimensions, shape, yes, width is 10, length is also 10, and height is also 10, and no need to make changes in the rest settings. Now try to see the result. Yes, and windows will be at the window will be visible. We have to move it because it is as a center. Go to move and go give it to the proper location at the left side of this door. So the size is minus 15. Mm, Otherwise we'll give it 17, minus 17. Then y is also minus 17 and this is 15. In the same way we have to add another window because there should be two windows from the both two sides of the door. Give it the same dimension 10, 10 and 10 and move it to the right side. We'll just add the move block and we'll change the values. Now 17 because it is at the right side, then it's minus 17 and the last one is 15. Now run this code, see the magic. See, perfect. Last window is at the right side. Now we have to add a roof over this. Now how to add a roof? Yes, we'll go to we'll go to add create a new object again. Go to legacy, create new object, go to I, rename the variable and just type roof. Click on OK. We'll create roof. We have done this practical in the class, you know very well. Now go to next thing. Add the box again. No need of box. We'll add some. Okay, another. Yes, roof is already there. No need to add box. Roof is there. We'll just give length to the roof 30. Now we'll just move this roof to the top side, upside 35, and again one move. Sorry, scale will give it to scale XYZ in the same pattern. No, we'll take this. Okay, we'll add this XYZ section here from the math here inside this. Okay, there should be a facility to add something. It should add this. It is already showing. I think there is another set of block is there for scaling. Okay, we'll keep it here. Don't worry. X is 3, then Y is 1, and Z is also 1. Now run the entire project. See what happens. Perfect. It's matching perfectly. Now why the windows are not looking transparent? Because we have not made it. So just select this whole and for the door as well, and now again run the program. See the magic. Yes, it's made it make it visible. So the things are like this. We can just create kind of things. Now how we can save it? It's very easy to save the project, to save the package. What kind of steps we need to do? Just very simple. Just click on export or share. We'll click on export and see. You can just make it STL for 3D printing. OBJ SVG is Tinkercad based format, or we'll see in the share. See, share is there, and yes, you can make it animate GIF, which is given in your book. So you can just click here and take a GIF image and save it to your computer system. So this is all about Tinkercad. All designing is here. Please carefully look at each and every option so the things will be visible and understandable. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and press bell button. Bye for now.